Hey guys, here I want to show you one of the bed covers that my buddy got on his truck. He decided mine was not good enough for him, so he wanted to go a different route with the Peragon bed cover. This one right here cost him around $800. I guess depending on how you option it out, it's roughly between $800 and $1,000. It's pretty sleek. I like how it looks. It does come up a little bit. I guess that's how most bed covers look, which I would want something sleeker, but it's not bad at all. It looks good and it gets the job done. One thing off the back that I like is right here you got a lock, so once this is locked, this thing isn't moving. You can still open the bed of your truck, but you cannot, this it won't budge. So let's check it out. Open this up. He's let me know that a little water trickles in from time to time after like a car wash or when it rains, but nothing major. And I'm really starting to think that I don't think there is a 100% water sealed, bed cover like these, at least. Maybe if you go with a fully mounted kind of truck cover, maybe, but I haven't come across one yet that doesn't, trickle, at the very least trickle water in. So I'm not sure. I know a lot of people ask that question a lot, but so let's see how it works. So all you do is, once you unlock it, you just push right here in the middle. It does require a little bit of force, and I guess you got to be somewhat tall. You just push down right here in the middle, and it just slides back. Does all the work for you. I'm not 100% sure how to secure it. I think he's gonna have to read the instructions to see if there's a way. I don't see anything off the top of my head, unless this rope here can wrap around something. So to close it, this is probably the part that turned me off the most, but I know some people still really like it. You come in here and you got to grab this and pull it back. It requires very little effort, and it just pops right back up. So I'll show y'all that one more time. And there you go. Also, he did say he installed it by himself, and it took him about 2 hours. Ideally, he probably would have wished he had someone to help him out, but he was able to get it done around an hour 45 minutes, 2 hours. So it is capable of being installed solo player. One thing that I forgot to mention here is, once you have, let's say you have some boxes or something in here, and you close it down right there, if they're back there in the back, let me see if I can get in there, it's not going to allow this thing to fold down, which then it's going to be stuck. So that might be something you want to keep in mind if this is the right bed cover for you. You put a bunch of boxes in there and you try and drop the top of this thing down, it's not going to close. It's just going to get jammed up, probably like like that. It probably won't even engage to allow you to push it down. So that's one thing that y'all might want to keep in mind and consider. That's the Peragon bed cover. I believe you can get them in any colors you want, and like I said, there's a lot of different options for these. Warranties, certain finishes, which kind of metals you want. So that's pretty cool that they offer these different kind of features. If y'all have any questions or whatever, I can try and get the answers for you, and just send me a message. This requires no drilling. It is a no drill install. You do have to pay a little bit extra to get the no drill kit. Another thing to keep in mind. So I don't know, a lot of people cringe at the thought of drilling into their vehicles, but this is a no drill setup. Well, it's optional no drill setup. All right guys, y'all take it easy.